Hey guys, what's up? Assalamu alaikum. Today I am back again with another new video of the properties of lubricating oil, that is viscosity index. So let's see what's viscosity index in general. It's if you change the temperature of a lubricating oil, what is happening? It's viscosity with a change in temperature. And if you measure that parameter, that will be called the viscosity index of a lubricating oil. So this is the change in viscosity with temperature. So the rate at which viscosity of a lubricant or lubricating oil changes with temperature is measured by an arbitrary scale known as viscosity index. Fine. So viscosity index represents the average decrease in viscosity of an oil per degree rise in temperature between 100 degree Fahrenheit and 210 degree Fahrenheit. Viscosity index is the numerical expression of the average slope of the viscosity temperature curve of a lubricating oil between 100 degree Fahrenheit to 210 degree Fahrenheit. These are the important points we must remember about the viscosity index. So what I am saying, this is the x-axis here. If you plot the temperature, and here if you see the viscosity of a lubricating oil, and the curve you will get over here if you change the temperature of a lubricating oil from 0 1 to whatever जो भी scale है आपको. So here you will see the change in viscosity, and the curve you will get over here will be called the viscosity index of a lubricating oil. Fine. Now there are important points we must remember, that is viscosity of liquids decreases with temperature. As we already know, if you increase the temperature, viscosity decreases. Viscosity decreases so that the lubricating oil becomes thinner, as already know, as that operating temperature is raised and the lubricant can be squeezed out from the rubbing part. So if these are the rubbing parts of a machine, these are the rubbing parts of a machine, and if you increase the temperature, this lubricating oil जिसकी lubrication आपने की है, तो it can be squeezed out from the machine. Fine. So what should be the value of viscosity index in general? It should not change so much. Fine, it should not change so much with the change in temperature. So it's therefore necessary that viscosity of the lubricating oil do not change much on changing the temperature, because viscosity decreases with temperature. It is impossible to, since the viscosity decreases with temperature, and it is impossible to select an oil having same viscosity over wide range of temperature. Fine, we already know that. So however, an oil whose variation with temperature is minimum can be selected. Fine. So this is a short note on the viscosity index of a lubricating oil. Further we can see in another video. Allah Hafiz.